How to use 922S5 in VMMask? Let's click to log into the 922S5 proxy account. Click Country to select the country you want to select. Choose the city you want on the city. Click Start Agent. Right-click. Click Forward Port to Agent. Click on 30,000 free. Click Port Forwarding List. All IP is available here. Let's copy one of them and use it. Click Create on VMMask. Fill in your name. Click Add Proxy IP Proxy Type. Select SOX5 Proxy. Fill in the IP address of the replicated proxy host. Click Test Connection. Display is available. Click Save. So the addition is successful. Click Batch Start. Successfully entered. IP has been replaced. IP address is the same as 922S5. You have also loaded successfully. This is the process used by 922S5 proxy in VMMask.